Hi, I'm Michael Gashler, a consultant with Kantar's Health Division. We're following this week's virtual ESMO Congress, where we just saw data presented from Genmab and Seattle Genetics' InnovaTV-204 trial, a single-arm phase 2 registration-enabling study evaluating the antibody-drug conjugate tisotumab vedotin as single-agent therapy for metastatic cervical cancer that has progressed following first-line treatment. The fact that the trial met its primary endpoint with an overall response rate of 24% is no surprise. Positive top-line data from this trial were included in a press release in June of this year. Rather, today's presentation is notable because this is the first public disclosure of the full trial data, giving a deeper look into the regimen's efficacy and a look at its adverse event profile. Second-line metastatic cervical cancer is a treatment setting without a well-defined standard of care, especially for women that don't express PD-L1. Tisotumab vedotin's 4-month median PFS and 12-month overall survival offer a promising new therapeutic option for a patient population with very high unmet needs. That said, the adverse event profile of tisotumab vedotin may be cause for concern. 52% of treated patients experienced a grade 1 or 2 ocular adverse event. This concurrent with the fact that all patients were enrolled into an ocular care plan as part of the trial's protocol. There was also a high rate of grade 1 and 2 bleeding and peripheral neuropathy. Concerns about these adverse events in the real-world setting, which is much less idealized than a clinical trial, may be barriers to uptake in the clinic. For instance, physician concerns about ocular adverse events or a patient's ability to access or comply with ophthalmological care may shift the assessment of risk-benefit trade-offs in favor of more conventional therapies over tisotumab vedotin. Even so, these challenges are not insurmountable, and today's readout showed no apparent barriers to Genmab and Seattle Genetics' stated intent to pursue regulatory filing and approval based off of this trial. It's therefore just likely a matter of time until tisotumab vedotin becomes available as a new treatment option for patients with relapsed metastatic cervical cancer.